Lesson 3, G sharp on the D string. I love me some high threes. They're a lot of fun. Okay, so what we're doing is we are used to our fingers on the tapes. I don't have any tapes on my violin right now. So what it is a sharp means high, and we want to go an additional half step. So when we think about our half steps, my first finger to my high 2, that is a whole step. And so to show a half step, it's right in between. So 2 half steps make a whole. Pretty easy. My second to my third finger on the tapes, that's a half step. And now that's a F sharp to G natural. And now we're going to have a G sharp, so we're going to have a whole step there. So our hand is going to look, D to E is a whole step, E to F sharp is a whole step, and F sharp to G sharp is a whole step. If we had an A on top, that A would just be that close 4 to that third finger. So number 28, we're going to do 28 and 29 together. So we're playing E, F sharp, G natural, G sharp. And then we're going to do that same thing, E, F sharp, G natural, G sharp. So let's do that twice and really listen with that ear. And we're going to really push that G sharp to sound really good. Ready, and we have that slur, down, up, down. Okay, ready, go. Sharp, 2, lift, set. Again, go. Ready again. Awesome. So number 29, we're not going to have that G natural in between. We're just going to go right for that G sharp. And this is going to be like our E major scale that we have. E, F sharp. Sounds really pleasing to the ear. So we have E, F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, B, G sharp, F sharp, E. So that's super duper pretty. That's kind of like our pentatonic scale that we have right there. So we're going to I leave that third finger down and have that B come behind. So I do 1, 2, high 3, 1 behind, and then back to that. So let's do number 29. 1, 2, ready, go. Behind. Repeat, go. That's a whole lot of motion for the hands to be doing at the same time. So if it's really uncomfortable for you with that G sharp to that B, separate your bows so that you don't have that string crossing on top of it, because you have so much going on in your brain. Focus on one thing at a time and then slowly put in that slur, that string crossing. So happy practice.